chugging along, about 2 hours away from Key West. Kind of gloomy, but it could stay overcast like this and just not rain. I'd be happy with it. Terry, on the other hand, not so happy. But it's not like she's laying in the sun. All right. So when you hide ducks, you shouldn't put them behind the glass. There's no way to get them out.
That's how we know that this is everywhere.
Lines were almost all gone. Now they're all back. That's all right. Good morning.
Good morning.
And look behind us, you can see Key West, our first of 3 stops. So, what are we going to do today, babe?
We're going to Key West and walk around. I got on my Key West shirt. And
You guys have on our Key West shirt.
And we're going to walk
Stop looking at
around
my
and
wife like
do
that,
tours.
weirdos.
Stop. And so we're going to have a fun day, but it's kind of cloudy, but it might make it cooler. So we're kind of glad about that. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
Still humid right now, though.
Yeah, it's very humid.
All right, they got all these signs up talking about the wind. As you notice, we're not even moving.
Look
So
at
you
my
can't
hair.
get up
It's
on.
windy.
You can't even get up on the top deck. So we went overboard. All right. Anyway, so we'll see you in Key West. We'll bring it to you. You're gonna beat me, right?
I'm already up. I'm ahead of you.
All right, go ahead.
-2.
All right, go ahead. The big fat 0. My turn. Still nothing. You gotta show the thing.
Nothing. Nothing.
Your turn. Here she goes. Oh, and nothing on the line. Ready? You've got 2 minutes. We're gonna get this started. And I got 7. Here she goes. Her last shot. And she got nothing.
Okay, I think I beat him because I had 8, he had -2, he got 7, so it's 8-5. I beat him. Say congratulations to me, Pat.
Congratulations, Terry.
Thank you.
only let them put out one gangway. So that's your result. Here I am with Sonia. Sonia's a big fan, found us here in Key West.
Yes.
Where are we going next, Sonia?
Where we going?
Next
Jamaica.
stop, Jamaica, Sonia.
Yes.
All right.
That's why I came. I saw them and I recognized them. I watch their YouTube channel every time they post.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell, right?
I got
Sonia?
you.
I got you.
already did it.
All right, Sonia.
All right.
See you. Hi, we're leaving the Hog's Breath where Kevin had his half a beer. And now we're heading down there. Do you see that umbrella right down there? We're gonna go get a key lime pie shot. We're doing one, and then we're going to the other side of the road, Hog's Breath. And by the way, Chris,
We just went to Hogsmeade. We're going to Sloppy
I mean
Joe's and
Sloppy
Kevin.
Joe's. And by the way,
Kevin.
Chris, CVS is closed.
Aw,
She's
no
not getting no
No
sodas.
soda for Kevin.
Sorry, Kevin.
Sorry, Kevin.
Sucks for you. All right, bye.
Bye.
Here we are at the smallest bar. This is the whole bar. That's it. That's the whole bar. So we're getting a key lime shot right here at the smallest bar here in Key West. All right, man's gonna make us 3 key lime shots. Make sure you post your pictures.
No, she got away.
There's the place that Kevin won his bet at. He's still so proud of. That was the original Sloppy Joe's. And when was it built, Kevin? When was it built?
1922.
Wrong.
33.
33. All right, so here we go. We're crossing the street.
Red light.
And we are going not to Sloppy Joe's yet. That's the next stop. We're going to go down here to Irish Kevin's. Gotta love Key West. All right, so here we are at Irish Kevin's. Now they took the other sign that used to hang out over the street gone.
Yeah, they won 4-1 last week. Florida, yeah. 2 more games.
I remember not hurting so much. I remember my body not hurting all the fucking time.
All right, so my wife sends me in the bathroom and says, look at the mirror. You look amazing, there's no mirror.
And they tagged in the tank, so they put stuff in it.
So take the tank so you can't flush your nose. All right, next stop, Sloppy Joe's. Where are we at? Sloppy Joe's! I'm going to back to the ship. Here I am with Brian Roberts.
Hey, I'm here.
And he's the singer here at Sloppy Joe's.
Still here.
Still here after we were here last year.
He's the best.
And did the same interview with Brian Roberts.
Yeah.
Best singer in the world.
Oh man, I love you. Thank you.
Oh, I love you too, man.
Wow.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
It's the dudes having a cigar together. Yeah. Brian Roberts, folks. Brian Roberts.
They only let me smoke in here. Yeah.
That's okay, save it for when you're on.
No, I'm the only one that's allowed to smoke inside. Nobody else.
Oh, you're one of those special
Hey,
people.
so if I pick up a
All right, she's going to ring the bell. Can we get her tip?
break, you scared me to death.
All right, here we are with Janine. She's the server that waited on us here at Party and Good Cruising at Sloppy Joe's, and she's an awesome server. So when you come here, she was born and raised here. That's rare. And come see Janine at Sloppy Joe's.
And she's 22 years old.
And she's 22 years old.
I wish.
She wishes. So there's the world's smallest bar. Sloppy Joe's is just down the street there to the next corner. The old original Sloppy Joe's.
Oh, look at the chicken crossing the road.
And there's a chicken crossing the road. Whatever, it's a dub, but we'll just call it a chicken. It's a weird chicken. But anyway, there was this world's smallest bar. I better see videos. Here I am with my friend Kev. We're having another cerveza. Show them your cerveza. And then we're getting back on the ship. Maybe.
No, we're all pictured out. Go away.
All right, we made it back on board. There's the ramp. There's no way they can leave us now. We're back on. On to Jamaica, baby. Yo, man. We made it back. We made it back. We made it back. All right, sweet day, Lovey, in Key West, one day before our
And
anniversary.
now we're going to dinner. We'll clue
Nope,
you in on
nope. I'm going to correct you like she corrects me. We are already here.
Okay, we're here, and so we'll bring you what we have. Thank you.
Oh, that was
Stay
quick and
tuned.
sweet. See ya.
Stay
Ow.
tuned.
Terry got Caesar salad.
Don't start eating.
I don't think that's Caesar salad.
Do his
He
thing.
got the spaghetti carbonara. Kevin got shrimpy cocktails and Caesar salad. Poor Chris got nothing.
You got butter.
And I got nothing. Empty plate. That's wrong.
No, that's
All right, my first two entrees. Pasta visual. And her salad, I'm telling you, that salad right there is excellent.
Very good.
Excellent. What is it called, baby?
I don't know. Don't ask
She don't know what it's called. What is it?
Gerard.
Gerard salad. Oh my God, it's
yeah.
so good. The bacon is like crispy. That's awesome.
We'll go from this hand to this hand. Not done yet, not done. Wait. If it is in a good mood, we will go around our hand.
Oh, that is cool.
You have to say stop, then only we'll stop. If it is in a real good mood, but if I even throw him away, he will come back. Like
Right. Chris got eggplant. Kevin got spaghetti carbonara. I got spaghetti carbonara. And Terry got
It was
fried
no, he
chicken.
wanted eggplant and the.
What you got?
I got watermelon fruit.
Watermelon and fruit.
Yeah, thank you.
Those are all fruits.
Watermelon has been disturbed.
I got the banana cream pie that she's gonna steal.
Kevin
Oh,
got
Kevin got coffee?
Yep.
That's just weird.
No.
Chris got
Nothing.
nothing. Alright, here it is. We're at the Atrium Bar. It's chocolate martini time. Why do we drink them?
They're so
Because they're so good. Alright, and this is one of our favorite songs right here.
Cheers.
So we're gonna dance and then probably skadoodle to the room after that. So anyway, we drink these because
It's so good.
so good.
Look at Kevin. You want to taste of it?
Yep. One chromosome away from an idiot, folks. One chromosome.